Alright everyone, this is my Kubota V2203 direct injected diesel engine. This is for an upcoming project. It's a 4-cylinder Kubota engine out of a carrier reefer unit. Got it rigged up on here with a radiator just to do some test running. As you can see, the water pump leaks a little bit. It's going to need a new water pump, but it's got good oil pressure, runs good. Stay tuned for more. I got parts on order. Soon this will be transformed into something else and going into a vehicle. Thanks for watching. Alright guys, so after running it yesterday, you saw the water pump was leaking, so I've got it removed and one on order. I went ahead and got the exhaust manifold off and got the new one set on there temporary for now. I still have to do some work, but this one will be able to mount in the vehicle better. So I'll bring you back once I have some more parts and make some more headway on it. Hope you enjoy the video.